Winco products are made to meet the high demands of a kitchen. Trusted and reliable. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco has been a trusted and reliable brand in professional kitchens for over 20 years. Our commercial lines of products, ranging from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies, are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. While our products are made to meet the high demands of a restaurant kitchen, we are excited to now make them available for the serious home chef. Top reviews from the United States. Old-fashioned recipe included. My recipe for the best old-fashioned. 3 orange peels, no pitha. 4 to 5 shakes of bitters. Muddle together and release the oils. Add simple syrup. I use 4 Splenda and a little water. Ice cubes. Add Maker's Mark bourbon. Stir using spoon. Add another Maker's Mark and stir. Rim with a fresh orange peel. I rub my muffler with some canola oil every so often to keep it looking taut.